Let me show you what you can do with files by using the Image Manager. It's a very powerful piece of software, and yet it's very easy to learn. First of all, select in your editor, Edit Image icon, and it'll open up your Image Manager. In the Image Manager, you can open many different kinds of files, not just images. You can go to the directory on the left-hand side, or you can change the view for files or for images. If you select the thumbnail view, you'll see a preview of images, or you can select and switch the mode so that you can see the names of the various files and some of their other properties. Then if we select it by name, you select any image, and after selecting you can rename the image. You can resize the image just like this. You can change the quality of the image. You can rotate it. You can even flip the image. You can upload the image or a file. There are a few other important things you can do within the Image Manager, such as when you select the image, the properties will show up in the URL field. You can then describe this image. You can change the dimensions or just keep it the way it is. You can change alignments. Look what happens with information in this field. You can align to the top, so the text that you put in will be at the top. You can align it to the middle, so that the information will therefore be at the middle of the image. You can take it down to the bottom, or you can put it on the left of the image. Now, when you select Image Left, the text will align in your image on the left, and the text will be wrapped around the image on the right. If you select Right Alignment, the image itself will be on the right, and the text will flow to the left of the image. You can add margins and spaces between the text and images. Let's say a 10, and if it's equally spaced, you put a 10 in each box if you want the image to be symmetrical. You can add a border to an image if you like. You can select the border's thickness or its style. You can make the border solid or a series of dashes. You can even select the color of the border. If you select Cancel, it will cancel all the manipulations that you've done with that image. If you'd like to insert, just press on the Insert button, and it will insert this image with all the new properties inside of your articles. See how easy and intuitive it is to use?